like to welcome Agoura Math Circle's very own founder and president, Pranav, Kalyan. Pranav founded the Agoura Math Circle in 2015, and he's also the co-founder of the 39A Engineering Circle. Let's welcome him to say a few words about Agoura Math Circle's journey.
Good afternoon, everyone. How many ways are there to solve a problem? I believe that each student has their own unique way. Some ways are obviously more efficient than others, but each way shows the creativity and cleverness of the student. However, in school, we are not taught to explore our own ways. We are taught how to solve a problem, and we must use that problem. In the Agoura Math School, we have a very different goal: to only give students the tools necessary to find their own problem-solving way. However, the Agoura Math Circle was not always as clear or large as it is today. Our first volunteer, Mr. Rajesh Govindarajan, was the seed for Agoura Math Circle. Inspired by other math circles like UCLA Math Circle and the Orange County Math Circle, we decided to start our very own math circle. In the first class, only 2 people came, Shriya Kalyan and Shriya Rajesh. I was discouraged by the low turnout, but Mr. Rajesh's sincerity inspired me to persevere. The Agoura Math Circle slowly started to grow. Now, we have about 270 students and over 20 volunteers. We have 5 classes currently: Senior Advanced, Senior Beginner, Junior Advanced, Junior Beginner, and Junior Intermediate. Next year, we're planning to add a new class, Junior Intermediate. Also, we're going to expand the online side of our Math Circle. We're going to include interactive PowerPoints and modules. So far, we have hosted the Math Kangaroo and the Geometry Team. Next year, we're planning to host many more competitions, and we will have our very own competition in January. I would like to welcome our special guests, Dr. Mark Patel, Mr. Jonathan Woodbury, and Professor John Cho, and our chief guest, Diana Wynn. Professor Wynn was my first college professor. She inspired me to take more classes and even admitted me into a class at a young age. Mr. Jonathan Woodbury was one of my mentors. He encouraged me to try many different things, like the Discoveries Young Scientist Challenge. I know that he would inspire everyone here to try new things. Dr. Pranav Patel is our chief donor. His donations have inspired the Agoura Math Circle volunteers to work harder to help their students learn. Also, his donation made it possible to have senior intermediate next year. Professor John Cho is a professor at UCLA. He teaches an advanced course about search engines. I know that he will inspire you to work harder and learn more advanced things. Thank you.